So LCID stock analysis and price predictions for 18th of August, Monday. Am I buying or am I not? Watch this quick and brief 1-minute video till the end to find out. I mean, one thing that I'll tell you with Lucid Group for sure is that it's a solid bearish market. I'm not even saying this in like a bad way or anything. It's just that I'm still going to stick to my strategy that I've done over 45,000 videos on, 5 years of experience, all documented. And just looking at this, you can see how big of a freaking bearish market actually is. Even in this video, this is when I called it out. This is where I also got actually surprisingly 5 likes, which is a lot for me, even though it's like 300 views. But yeah, people were agreeing, and after I saw like the shift, I was like just straight in. Break evens are obviously set, and I'm not gonna be adding anything, and I'll just stick to what I already have. And if you want to stay tuned to get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.